What is R language? R language is an open source language that is essentially a different version of the S language. Much of the code that developers write for S runs on R without modification. Applications built in R language are used for processing statistics, including linear and nonlinear modeling, calculation, testing, visualization, and analysis. Applications coded using Arcane interface with a number of databases and process both structured and unstructured data. R language has a moderate learning curve and is not as easy for beginners to pick up as some other languages in this article. However, like other open source programming languages, R boasts an active online community of developers, which is always a plus when learning new coding skills. On average, R language developers earn average annual salaries of about $90,940. Level: intermediate. Skills needed: easier if you already know JavaScript or Python, but it's recommended for people with a firm grasp of mathematics. Platform: mainly desktop. Popularity among programmers: not nearly as popular as it once was, mainly due to rival language Python's soaring popularity. Benefits: open source, great support for managing data, wide variety of packages available, cross-functional with Linux, Windows, and macOS, ideal for machine learning applications. Downsides: objects are stored in physical memory, which can strain resources, lacks basic security, slower than MATLAB or Python. Degree of use: widely used for analytics. Annual salary projection: $90,940. Dear friend, if you like this video, kindly make sure to subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon so that you stay informed about all our upcoming latest videos. Keep watching Protech Computer Education. Thank you.